Need to fix FanDuel deposit troubleshooting? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to FanDuel app. Well, once you're inside the page, simply close the application and reopen it. It will refresh the page. Sometimes refreshing the application might also fix the issue. If not, you need to head over to Safari and in the address bar, FanDuel Sports Network outage. Now you need to head over to the very first site, downdetector.com. Wait for a while for it to load. In this page, you will be able to check whether the FanDuel application server is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, all you're going to do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, you need to search for the application FanDuel. And once you've found, click on it. Tap on Offload App and once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.